How to create an account on Fantasy Premier League. In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily go ahead and create an account on the official Premier League app. For that, you're going to have to simply go ahead and open up the application after downloading it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once you have the app open, you'll find the option to join My Premier League or sign into My Premier League. So here, if you're new, you can click on the join button, and if you already have an account, you can tap on sign in. Let me just tap on join here, and it's going to take me to my browser where I'm able to sign up for a new account. So there are different options that you can choose from, so you can confirm your cookie choices. So the first thing you can do is enter your email address, or you can do one-tap login with Google, Facebook, Apple ID, or even with your Twitter or X account. So let me just go ahead and quickly enter my email address here. Once you've entered your valid email address, you can just tap on join in with email. And what it's going to do is it's going to ask you to create a password for your account. Enter first name, last name, date of birth, select your gender, select your country, and then finally enter your phone number. Now just fill out all of these details. And once you've done that, you can just click on create an account, and you should be getting a verification code on your email address or your phone number. Then you should just enter the code there and your registration will be complete. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.